around and lose your life. Gang, like the big hoe.
Little sneak peek.
That shit never been in the way. That's why
I called earlier a Resonator delete.
Okay, what kind of car?
Dodge Charger. Side skirts as well.
Okay, the keys up here. I'll probably have it in the next like 20-30 minutes, right?
Alright. Nice. Alright, a little before action. Yeah, say what's good to the vlog, man.
What's the word, y'all? This boy better have the loudest Hemi in the fucking
NVA.
Eastern Seaboard.
Hell yeah. Y'all already know what it is. Just straight pipe all the way.
Hell yeah.
Yep. Oh, the side skirts too. Yeah, they look nice.
Oh yeah, that looks nice as hell.
Yeah, that's clean. Give it a nice little rev in a second. Seeing though. Oh yeah, here we go. Shit.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah, that's nice. Hold on. Let's bring it out here.
That shit is gonna sound so loud.
I can't wait to hear it like in the fucking in the parking garage. There's people right here. For the test. Yo, nah, that's fucking crazy. Yo, that's actually fucking crazy. Jeez. Nah, that sounds crazy. I know. I feel like they didn't really wash it like how they were supposed to at the shop.